What if I told you you didn't have to choose between style, space, or parking? Here at 2908 Burnette Street in Vallejo, California, you can have it all. Come inside with me so I can show you around. This beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2 full-bath home sits on a large, flat lot, complete with gated RV parking and plenty of room to truly spread out. Step inside and you're greeted with an open, light-filled layout, wide plank flooring, recessed lighting, and thoughtful designer touches throughout. The fully updated kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a stunning waterfall island perfect for entertaining. The spacious primary suite offers a private retreat feel with a beautifully updated ensuite bathroom, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, a home office, or growing needs. Out back, you'll find a generous covered patio that makes indoor-outdoor living effortless, paired with a large flat yard and a detached shed for extra storage or creative use. Thanks for taking this tour with me today. If you'd like more information or to schedule a private showing, please feel free to reach out directly at any time. I hope to hear from you soon.